Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Orbit now is approaching its all-time low. I've been to Virgin Orbit and I've met the people there. I wasn't very impressed with their last flight, not because they wasn't successful, but the way they presented themselves. That is key. So that comes at a price. If you do an awful presentation like that and fail, your stock price will go down. It has gone down dramatically, but there's a point when it becomes worth buying again. This is my Roth IRA right now, and live on the show in this video, I intend to buy some. Let's look at it right now. So this is Virgin Orbit right now. Let's go to my main trading position. And you can see this is my Roth IRA. It might go a bit lower today because we do have a Fed Jerome Powell. High risk stuff like this but I don't think, having gone to the company and met the people there, it's going to go much lower. Let me change this now to my Roth IRA. I've got $400 left in my Roth IRA, long-term position. So I'm going to look at this now. Buy Virgin Orbit, a limit order. We're going to call it 163 or 64. Make sure it goes through. Shares, I've got $400. So that's 200 shares. 300. And I just see it moving now. 300. 250. 410. Review the order and buy. Order placed, Virgin purchase. There we go. I just got it in as it's starting to move. I got it for an average price of 163. Cost me $407. This is my long-term position. I was down 24% on it. I'm now down just 12. Now you can see my position there. I'm now down 12%. I was down 24. I'm now down 12. So I've got $27 left in my buying power. And I intend just to finish it up. So I'm going to go back to my buy here. And I'm going to set another limit order. And, oops, gone again. It's going up again. I don't have to buy anymore. It doesn't matter now. I'm down 12%. I was down 24. I've halved my position. My average now is 185. I got 450. I don't really want any more, but if it goes to 150, I'll just spend the last 27 bucks. In fact, it's virtually immaterial right now. But this is my long-term play. I don't think this will be dramatically affected by what Jerome Powell is saying. Or what he may say. If we get 0.5% today, yes, of course, markets will dramatically sell off this kind of stock. I don't think that's very likely, and I don't see this going any lower. This is fear in the market now. Potentially he could do that, so it's been oversold. And if we look at the RSI, you can actually see, if I go over to this screen here, if we look at Virgin Orbit, we can look and see, can you see the RSI there? It's dramatically oversold. So it's oversold. So I bought some. There's my position on Virgin Orbit. I was down 24%. I'm now down 12. I've got an average of 185. Happy with that. I think the stock can go to $4 quite easily when it flies again. You might have to wait. I wouldn't want to park too much money in here. But if I now look at my overall Roth IRA, let's go back to it, and we can see how that's been affected by this. Let's have a little look. Let me share with you my Roth. Remember, I get a 1% match from Robinhood. I only started this about 2 months ago, and I'm up to $4,800 already. Remember, I can do 7,000, so I'm very, very close to that now. And I'm up 1.22. And if I look down at my positions here, J&J is my biggest, Coca-Cola, VORB now was down 24%. It's now down 12%. And we could easily rebound this back. We could easily go back up here to 169, and then I'd be very close to being in the money on Virgin Orbit at a time when, look, it's perfect trade. Look at that. Perfect trade. I'm now down from 24% down to just 10.8. Look at that. Perfect trade at a perfect time. I don't think whatever Jerome Powell will say will drive this down any lower. Certainly not to much lower than it was before. I've been to the company. If you want to check out my Virgin Orbit video when I was there and I met the people who work there, you can click up here and that'll take you to my Virgin Orbit video. But and my playlist, you can go and check it out. So there you go. Virgin Orbit, it's a long-term play. Doesn't belong in my main brokerage. It does belong in my Roth IRA. So I used my cash on hand this morning, which I prepared for Jerome Powell's speech. I don't think this is going to go much lower. So there we go. Virgin Orbit, very, very happy with that. I've improved my position from 24% down to 10% down. There you go. Good day. Virgin Orbit. What's your position? Leave me your thoughts below. Did you like how I traded that? Was it a good position for you? Are you interested in Virgin Orbit? I am visiting Virgin Galactic space station later in the year. Looking forward to that as well. So anyway, there you go. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.